And today, the president will meet with conservative leaders here to talk about health care, with the White House emphasizing this is really the start of a process to figure out what's in and what's out of that new bill. On Capitol Hill, lawmakers today will start making changes. But for the GOP, it's far from a united front. This morning, Republican rebellion with the White House working to avoid what might be a mutiny brewing against a new bill to repeal and replace Obamacare.
We're going to have something that's going to be much more understood and much more popular than people can even imagine.
So far, it's not popular with some in his own party. Some conservatives concerned about different parts of the plan. There's those on the far right, including outside groups, worried about it costing too much and not going far enough.
This is instead a step in the wrong direction.
Obviously, we have some serious concerns.
We are united on repeal, but we are divided on replacement.
More moderate Republicans are focusing on saving Medicaid expansion. And for others, saving Planned Parenthood funding might end up a sticking point. The administration reassuring everyone this is still a work in progress, a starting point, as Vice President Pence explained to NBC's Casey Hunt.
I think we're very early in the legislative process.
While the White House wants to focus on health care, it's still facing fallout from President Trump's explosive tweet accusing President Obama of ordering the wiretapping of Trump Tower.
Have you seen any evidence of that?
Mr. Leader, Senator Gardner.
No, I haven't.
I have not seen that evidence.
The White House still providing no proof of his claim, but Press Secretary Sean Spicer pointing to the need for a congressional investigation. Why would the president want Congress to investigate for information he already has?
I think there's a separation of powers aspect here, as I mentioned to Jonathan.
But you talk about resources and time. Why waste that?
It's not a question of waste it. It's a question of appropriateness.
Committee Chairman Devin Nunes defending the president.
The president is a neophyte to politics. He's been doing this a little over a year. And I think a lot of the things that he says, you guys sometimes take literally.
Congressman Nunes there is also announcing the first public hearing of his House Intelligence Committee. Former intelligence officials under President Obama have been invited to testify on March 20th. And so has former acting Attorney General Sally Yates, who, if you remember, was fired by President Trump not long after he took office.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.